Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, we will focus on the half square spiral knot. To create your spiral, you will need to make a series of half square knots. Your work will start to turn. This is completely normal. Turn your work and continue creating your knots as usual. We just created our spiral knots that turn down and to the right. Next, we will create spiral knots that turn down and to the left. You can see the difference in the two here. What is neat about this knot is that you can tie it around any number of strings. Just remember that if you're tying a large spiral knot, you're going to need a lot of rope to tie around all those pieces of rope in the middle. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.